Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 29 how to add a clickable email address to your YouTube channel. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to your YouTube channel. We can click on account and then customize the channel, which then redirects us back to the old layout of classic. Go to about for business inquiries, add your email, and now we can insert the email into this box. Computer science videos business@gmail.com. Done. That is the email that will be used when it comes to being contacted by the clients, customers, viewers of my channel. Go back to YouTube Studio, view channel on YouTube, go to the about section, which we just edited, view email address, and there is the email address for my YouTube channel. Quick Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.